Finally, we have come to the end of our trading session this week. Still couldn't believe why days moving so freaking fast. But so the last couple of days I've been discussing about some of the forex pair and do an update on the macro data. So today in this weekly upload or weekly market outlook, we will see what came to the pair that I've been talking about for the last couple of days, and we will be discussing for what is the next plan on the market for the next couple of days. So before we go to the chart, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's discuss weekly outlook. The last couple of days, look here, the euro pound reject nicely in our demand zone, very nicely, but there's a but. It needs to be the valid rejection. Right now there is a Harami candlestick pattern, a bullish one, so we need for the candlestick itself to break over the monthly candle, which is this red one. If the red rejection on the demand zone was valid, then the next target for euro pound will be around 0.87420, or the last resistance. It will be its first target. Okay, let's move to the next pair, which is pound dollar. Let's do a pound dollar. The pound dollar already made, you can see here, the pound dollar already made a change of character, so there is high likely that the pound dollar on 4-hour chart will came to the bearish trend. The bearish trend itself for the next stopping point will be at around 1.31367 until 1.30298. That will be the demand key level for the pound dollar to stop its bearish momentum. So let's do next couple of day views. Let's do indices, commodity, and I'll choose some of forex pair. Okay, now we see a daily chart for US 500 or S&P 500. So for S&P 500, we see that the market itself have commonly or have come to the bearish momentum. So we'll see that the red zone, it was the supply area or supply zone. We will be looking for a rejection in the supply zone for the bearish to continue its momentum. If it reject nicely or it reject valid on this supply area, so the next target is the last support. So the bear will came to the market and hit the last support. Okay, so let's move to NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ itself, again, same as the S&P 500. The bear momentum still on the market. So for now, the rejection will be at around 20,344 until 19,801. That will be supply zone for the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ have to came to the supply zone and reject it by a massive volume to continue its bearish momentum. Just the same setup as S&P 500. So what if it's failed? For NASDAQ, if it's failed to reject at the first demand zone, the first supply zone, the next supply zone will be at around 21,755 until 21,620. That will be our next target for NASDAQ to fuel its engine. Okay, so let's go to commodity. We are here at the daily chart on gold. I choose gold as the commodity because look here, the price rejected nicely in our last couple of days demand zone. Okay, let me change it to the green so you can see it better. Here you go. Our last demand zone, which came around 3250 until 3191. That's our demand, and it was rejected nicely. So we see that the price rejected will gold reach another all-time high. Let us see the next couple of days, because such a quite a good rejection, a solid rejection, a big candle full body rejection. It was a good volume inside of it. If you want to see on the 4-hour chart, look here. In the 4-hour chart, there is a break. There is a change of character. See? Let me mark this out for you. See? There is a change of character on the 4-hour chart. So, it will likely that gold came to the new all-time high. That's a good news for us who own golds. Okay, so let's do the last one, the forex pair. I will choose one forex pair for the next couple of days. Here you are. We are back on the euro dollar. In the euro dollar, we seen again another great rejection on our demand zone. Our last demand zone is around 1.12480 until 1.10977. That's our first demand zone. If the euro dollar really reject that demand zone, so the next target for euro dollar is its last resistance, which came around 1.15731. That's our next target if the demand zone on Euro USD or Euro dollar or daily chart has been rejected. So that's it. That's our look backward, our couple of days, and the forward test for a couple of days. And I hope you enjoy our new weekly video. I hope you get some trading ideas for the next couple of days. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram so you can reach out to us and view and watch some of our daily market outlooks so you can still profitable in everyday tasks. And see you guys in the next week. Bye bye.